Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on SSIS. So how to load source data when there are multiple delimiters in the text document. So first I will show my text document. This is EMP text document. So here you can see four columns: ID, name, salary, and gender. It's a 5 delimited text document. So if you see the values here, so every column and every value is begin and end. You can see the tilde symbol. So apart from pipe delimited, so it is showing tilde symbol as well in the text document. So I want to remove this tilde symbol and load only the values into the database table. So how can I do? I will show in this demo. So first I am taking the new package data flow task. So since my document is text document, I am taking flat file source. Double click. So browse the file where it is located. So this is my EMP text document. I just click open and go to columns. So here you can see. So exactly earlier what we saw, the same tilde symbols appear in the columns as well. Now I need to make it as a custom delimiter. So usually it will take pipe delimited because the text document is the pipe delimited. Now I want to make it as a custom delimiter as tilde symbol, pipe and tilde symbol. Okay, this is how I want to declare my column delimiter and go to advanced and go to this one. So here you can see. So first you can see tilde symbol and the last also you can see tilde symbol. In between we don't see any tilde symbols. Okay. Now click OK, columns and click OK. Now I want to remove those two tilde symbols by using derived column transformation. So I'm connecting the flat file source, double click. So here you can see it for ID column we have tilde symbol. So I'm taking this. I want to replace. I want to use the replace function. Replace. Replace will take three arguments. First one is string. So next one is substring. Substring here I am using tilde symbol. So I want to replace substring with empty space. Okay. Now for gender also there is a tilde symbol. So this is also I am taking. I am using the same replace function. Replace gender. Now substring is tilde symbol with empty space. Sorry, empty space. This is by using derived column. I am using the replace function to remove the tilde symbol with empty space. Click OK. Finally, I want to load the data into destination table. Double click. So go to new. So my database name is sample underscore database. So sample underscore database is my database name. So I need to create one table. So click new to create a table. So I want to name it as EMP table. Click OK. Go to mappings and click OK. So all set. From flat file source to derived column, from derived column to OLDB destination. So once you run this package, so data will be loaded after removing the delimiters. Check the table first. Select start from EMP. So we have columns, but we don't have any data. Once again, make sure the source document. So everything is delimiter, tilt delimiter. So along with the pipe delimiter. Okay. Now I am going to run the package. See here, from flat file source to derived column 4 rows, from derived column to OLD destination 4 rows. Just go to SSMS and execute the query. See, so this is how you can load the data into the destination table after removing the delimiters from the source document. So the entire logic is how to use the replace function to remove the delimiter. So before and after every column. So if you compare the data values here, 101 here, before and after tilt symbols are there. ABC also same, salary and mail also same. So now we can see that database tables there are not tilt symbols. So this is how you need to design your package if your source document has multiple delimiters that you want to load into the database table. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.